In this video, I will show you how to write power in Microsoft Word. There are several methods to do that. First of all, we have to go to Insert, then click on Equation. Here you will see Insert New Equation. Click on it. Then you will find the Script option at the top. Click on it, and at the first you will see Superscript option. Click on it. The first box is actually base or the main character. We have to write 2. Then at the top we have to write the exponent or power, and you see we have write the number. Another way to do that is to select the text you want to superscript, then go to Home tab and select superscript. By following these two methods, you can easily write power in Microsoft Word, and you can also use shortcut